European domination of Indian Ocean. In early 1498, Vasco da Gama and his pilot Malima Kana reached Indian coast in Calicut. The ruler of Calicut was Samudri. Vasco wanted to get back to Lisbon to tell everyone about his findings. The longer he stayed, the greater the danger. Arabs were likely to trap him or turn the local ruler against him. Vasco went back to Lisbon. Portuguese then quickly followed up on their discovery. A fleet of 13 ships and 1,200 men were sent under the command of Pedro Alvarez Cabral. They were heavily armed with cannon and guns. On reaching Calicut, Cabral presented the Samudri Raja with many lavish gifts. They traded with the Portuguese. At this time, the Meccan ship loaded with cargo prepared to leave for Aden. Portuguese seized it, leading to riots in which several Portuguese men were killed. Cabral responded by firing into the city. The Raja had to flee his palace, and several sailors were burnt alive. This is how European domination of the Indian Ocean began.